Refrigeration HVAC exam practice questions set number 2. Number 1. The capacity control of a centrifugal chiller is through the use of inlet guide vanes which are located between the blank and the compressor. A. Suction line. B. Liquid line. C. Condenser inlet. D. Condenser outlet. Correct answer is A. Suction line. Number 2. Increase in amp setting of heat anticipator. Less resistance means A. Shorter cycles. B. Longer cycles. C. No change. Correct answer is B. Longer cycles. Number 3. The cold air return should be installed in an open area down low on the wall. A. True or B. False. Correct answer is A. True. Number 4. If 1 pound of water is heated from 70 Fahrenheit to 100 Fahrenheit, how much heat energy is absorbed by the water? A. 15 BTU, B. 30 BTU, C. 20 BTU, or D. 60 BTU. Correct answer is 30 BTU. So the specific heat of water is 1 BTU per pound degree Fahrenheit. So all we have to do here is subtract 100 from 70, which is 30. We times that by 1 pound, and then we times that by 1, which is the specific heat of water. So 30 times 1 times 1 equals 30 BTU. Number 5. Blank is determined using a probe thermometer in the main return air duct and at the main supply air duct of the air conditioning unit. A. Temperature split. B. Delta T. C. Temperature difference, or TD, or D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Number 6. The volume of gas entering the compressor blank when the evaporation temperature decreases. A. Is unchanged, B. Decreases, C. Increases, or D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Increases. Explanation is that the gas is thicker or denser when it's colder. That's why the volume increases. Number 7. An air handler that has a high temperature split is caused by A. Dirty air filter, B. Dirty condenser coils, C. Low refrigerant, D. Refrigerant leak, or E. All of the above. Correct answer is E. All of the above. Number 8. In the blank mode of a heat pump, the indoor coil acts as the condenser and the outdoor coil acts as the evaporator? A. Fan. B. Cooling. C. Heating. Or D. Off cycle? Correct answer is C. Heating mode. Number 9. Which of the following allows the heat pump to operate both in cooling and heating mode? A. Two-way valve. B. Bypass valve. C. Four-way reversing valve. Or D. Three-way reversing valve. Correct answer is C. Four-way reversing valve. Number 10. The variable inlet guide vanes IGB of centrifugal compressors are checked by visual inspection. Is this true? A or B false? Correct answer is A, true. Number 11. The air-to-air heat pump blank in capacity as the outside temperature gets colder. A. Increases. B. Decreases. Or C. Maintains capacity. Correct answer is B. Decreases. The air-to-air heat pump loses its capacity during the cold winter months. Alright, that's the last question. Till next time, till the next video. Cheers, have a good one.